Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video, if you're stuck on the no command screen, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Most of the time when you look at the buttons, different tablet will have different navigation system into bypassing this no command screen. So you need to play with the volume buttons and the power button, right? But for this particular tablet, you have to hold all the buttons together. You have to hold all the buttons together in order to get into the recovery mode. So volume down, volume up, power button, and release. So see, sometimes it takes a while for me to get everything hold on properly. Release. So as you can see, we are into the Android recovery. As I said, based on the Android tablet you have, it may require you to only hold down the volume down button and the power button, or the other way around, or all the buttons together. Hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.